Hello, everyone. I just want to help get you started to access a new resource that we will be using during our unit of inquiry, but it also is a marvelous place for you to find lots of educational activities that you can do with your child throughout this distance learning and throughout the summer as we prepare for grade 2. If you go ahead and go to junior.brainpop.com, you will see a banner here at the top that allows you to request free access. This is something that BrainPop has done for the school closures. And once you scroll down, you click on Family Access. This will bring you to a quick form that you can fill out to receive free access. It will be for at least 30 days or as long as the closures remain. I have already gone ahead and filled out this form for myself as a parent, and as soon as you submit, you will receive free access to the BrainPop suite. Can't wait to keep learning and getting to know this resource as we go together. Bye for now.